ladies, and welcome to Chela's Beauty Bar Wednesday. This week I am featuring the Only For You CC Cream. This is a leave-in conditioner that promises to help nourish dry hair and leave a bouncy, shiny finish. You can use this product on damp hair after you towel dry it. You apply it and then style as usual. Or you can also use it when your hair is dry. And you can just retouch your hair if it looks dry or a little frizzy or you need some added shine. So if you want to learn more about this amazing product, just reach out to me. I'm here to help and I give free consultations. So on that note, I'll see you guys next Wednesday when I'm going to be featuring yet another product. Till then, you know what I always say, stay gorgeous, my friends.